Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good and doing well at home. So children, as you all know that today this is our online English language class, and last week we have started with our chapter number 15, that was adverbs. Now I have explained you the topic of adverbs, and we have completed three topics related to adverbs, like how the adverbs as they tell us how, when and where the verbs have been done. Okay, so we have completed these three main exercises. Now there are some mixed exercises of all these three topics. So today we are going to do that book exercise, and then we will do a small written work. Okay, I will give you an assignment in which you will write down the definition with example. Okay, so this work you will do in your English notebook. But before starting with notebook work, we will first of all do the book work. Okay, we will do the book exercises. So please children, for that you have to take out your basic English grammar and composition book and turn to page number 46. Is that clear? This is page number 46, as you can see written here, page number 46. Take out page number 46. You all have you all understood the topic of adverbs. What are adverbs, children? Adverbs are the words which tell us something more about action words. Okay, verbs के बारे में जो words हमें बताते हैं उन words को हम adverbs बोलते हैं. Okay, these words tell us about how, when, where an action is done. Okay, कब, कहाँ और कैसे एक्शन हुई है उसके बारे में जो वर्ड्स बताते हैं उनको हम एडवर्ब्स बोलते हैं. Is that clear? So now as you can see in on page number 46, this is the sixth exercise, F exercise. Complete the sentences using the adverbs given in the help box. Now here you have been provided with a help box in which 10 words are written, and here there are 10 sentences. So you have to pick out the correct option and you have to write in the blanks. Okay, so first of all you have to read the sentence and then you have to make out that which adverb will be suitable for the sentence. Is that clear? So let's begin with this exercise, children. First sentence, he will do it dash. Now he will do it now. अभी इसको करेंगे. तो he will do it now. Here we will write, now is written here. So we will write here N-O-W, now. Clear? Now coming to the second sentence, she writes dash. अब कैसे लिखती है? So you can see here the word is written neatly. So we will use the word neatly. She writes neatly. So we will write N-E-A-T-L-Y, neatly. Now coming to the third sentence, they are not dash. They are not, you can write here. Okay, they are not here. वो लोग यहाँ पर नहीं हैं. They are not here. H-E-R-E, here. Okay, he has gone early. Okay, or you can write he has gone dash. So you can write here he has gone quickly. Okay, so we will write here Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, he has gone quickly. Next sentence, I go for a walk dash in the morning. अब walk पे कब जाते हैं? Early morning में. So what we will write? Early. E-A-R-L-Y, early. Okay, we have taken the word early also now. Quickly also we have taken. Okay, so next sentence, he will reach dash 3 days. He will reach after 3 days. Okay, 3 days के बाद वो पहुंचेगा. A-F-T-E-R, after. Is that clear? Then coming to the seventh sentence, he may arrive dash. So he may arrive tomorrow. कल वो आ सकता है. तो T-O-M-O-R-R-O-W, tomorrow. Clear? Now the eighth sentence, the baby is sleeping soundly. बेबी कैसे सो रहा है? बिल्कुल शांति से. S-O-U-N-D-L-Y, soundly. Now the ninth sentence, the cat is climbing dash the tree. Cat climbing कैसे कर रही है? Up the tree. Okay, U-P, up. Now coming to the last 10th sentence, Aditya had breakfast late. Okay, उसने अपना breakfast late किया. Okay, so we will write here L-A-T-E, late. Is that clear? So I hope all these 10 sentences are clear to you all children. Now coming to the second exercise, that is the G exercise. In this you have to read the sentences and take out the adverbs and you have to write it here. Okay, find the adverbs in the sentences given below and write them in the space provided. Now each sentence, in front of each sentence there is some space provided, so you have to read the sentence and you have to find out which word is the adverb and you have to write it here. Is that clear? So starting with this exercise, very easy. First sentence, Beena talks politely. Talks is the verb and कैसे बात करती है? Politely. So we will write politely here. Okay. P-O-L-I-T-E-L-Y. Politely. Clear? Now the next sentence is Hari came yesterday. Came is the verb and the word that is telling about the verb is yesterday. Ki Hari kal aa gaya. Okay. So yesterday we will write it here. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Is that clear? Now coming to the next sentence, Mohan sleeps late. Sleeps is the verb and late is the adverb, so we will write it here, L-A-T-E, late. Now the next fourth sentence, father is sleeping upstairs. Kahan so rahe hain? Sleeping is the verb and upstairs is the adverb, so we will write it U-P-S-T-A-I-R-S, upstairs. Clear? Now coming to the fifth sentence, the basket of mangoes fell down. Now fell is the adverb and down, kahan giri? Down is the verb. So we will write it here, D-O-W-N, down. Coming to the sixth sentence, we have our dinner late. Have is a verb and kaise khate? Late. So late is the adverb. So we will write it here. Okay. Then the seventh sentence, Rita works out the sums easily. Rita works out the sums easily. Now works out is the verb and how does she do the sums? Easily. So easily is the adverb. E-A-S-I-L-Y, easily. Is that clear? Now coming to the eighth sentence, we shall begin to play now. Now shall begin to play is the adverb and now is the verb and now is the adverb. So we will write it here. Clear? Now coming to the ninth sentence, Geeta sings badly. Sings is the verb and how does she sing? Badly. So badly is the adverb. We will write it here. Okay. And last sentence is, children eat sweets happily. Okay. कैसे खाते हैं sweets को? Happily. खुशी से. So we will write it here. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y. Happily. I hope this exercise is clear to you all children. 10 sentences are all clear. Now coming to the next page, which is having 11 to 25 more sentences. Okay, so we will do this also. So as you can see, the 11th sentence, he will come back today. Kab aayega? Today. So we will write today here because today is the adverb. Okay, now coming to the 12th sentence, I have already seen the film. So seen is the verb and already is the adverb. A-L-R-E-A-D-Y, already. Coming to the 13th word, we shall soon be home. Soon is the adverb. 14th sentence, I did not see anybody there. कहाँ मैंने किसी को नहीं देखा? There. So there is the adverb. He lives quite near the lake. Near is the adverb. It is raining heavily. Now raining is the verb and how is it raining? Heavily. H-E-A-V-I-L-Y, heavily. Coming to the 17th sentence, the fox cleverly cheated the crow. Now what did he do? Cheated. And how did he cheat it? Cleverly. So we will write it here. C-L-E-V-E-R, clever, L-Y, cleverly. Okay. 18th sentence, you have answered correctly. Now answered is the verb and how have you answered? Correctly. Correctly is the adverb. So we will write it here. Is that clear? Now coming to the next, Daljit always speaks the truth. Now how he speaks? Always he speaks the truth. Okay. So we will write always. A-L-W-A-Y-S is the adverb. Now 20th sentence, we finished our sandwiches first. कब finish करें? First. F-I-R-S-T. First is the adverb. Is that clear? Now coming to the 21st sentence, your brother is waiting downstairs. Waiting is the verb, and where he is waiting? Downstairs. D-O-W-N-S-T-A-I-R-S. Downstairs. Is that clear? Coming to the next, I have to go far. कहाँ जाना है? Far, दूर. So far is the adverb. I have seen that man before. मैंने उस आदमी को पहले भी देखा है. कब देखा है? पहले. Before. B-E-F-O-R-E. Before is the adverb. 24th sentence, grandmother prayed to God peacefully. She prayed. How she prayed? Peacefully. So peacefully is a adverb. P-E-A-C-E-F-U-L-L-Y. Peacefully. Is that clear? Coming to the last sentence, they were here an hour ago. कब थे? Here. कहाँ थे? यहाँ पे. 1 घंटे पहले. H-E-R-E. Here. Is that clear? So I hope children you all have understood this sentences from 1 to 25, and you all have understood these 2 exercises very clearly. Now with this exercise you will complete these 2 exercises today itself, and then now I am going to explain you the definition and example of this chapter, which you have to write down in your notebooks. Is that clear? So take out your English language notebooks and start writing. As you all know children that when we start with the new chapter, so you have to take out a new page. Okay, so after completing your book exercises, you will take out your English language notebook, and then what you will do, you will take out a new page, and you will write down today's date, that is 24/12/2020, and you will write down the heading chapter number 15, adverbs. Okay, now in the next line, you will start writing with the definition. So you will give the heading part A, definition, and then you will write down the whole definition. That is, adverbs are words which tell us something more about action words. These words tell us about how, when, where an action is done. Now, adverbs क्या है children? Adverbs वो words हैं जो हमें वर्ब्स के बारे में, एक्शन वर्ड्स के बारे में और भी बहुत चीज़ बताते हैं. और वो वर्ड्स हमें क्या क्या बताते हैं कि हाउ मतलब कैसे, व्हेन मतलब कब, एंड वेयर मतलब कहाँ पर वो एक्शन हुआ है. ओके, कब, कहाँ और कैसे वो एक्शन हुआ है. इज दैट क्लियर? तो जो वर्ड्स इन बारे में बताते हैं तो हमें वो वर्ड्स हमारे एडवर्ब्स होते हैं. इज दैट क्लियर? सो कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट लाइन, यू विल राइट डाउन फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एन ओल्ड मैन वॉक्ड स्लोली. नाउ ओल्ड मैन वॉक्ड, so walked is the verb because it is doing some action. The old man is doing some action, that is he is walking. Okay, so the old man walked, and how did he walked? Slowly. वो धीरे चल रहे थे. So slowly is the adverb because it is telling us that how he walked. How कैसे वो चल रहे थे? Slowly. Okay, so slowly is the word that tells us how the old man walked. Is that clear children? So that is all for today. You have to complete all the 2 exercises in your books, and then you have to complete this written work in your notebooks, English language notebooks, so that it will be very easy for you all to understand. And in my next video on Saturday, I will be giving you another exercise of this chapter to be completed in your notebooks. So make sure till Saturday you complete all this work. Okay, and be ready for your next exercise for your notebooks. Is that clear children? So till my next video, bye bye, take care, stay at home and stay safe.